You passed your boards, but do you actually know what you're doing? Post-COVID NP education left a massive gap in clinical readiness, and pretending it didn't is dangerous. Today, we're looking at what was lost, what changed, and how you can actually bridge the gap. Before COVID, NP school was built on hands-on immersion. Overnight, that was stripped away. We saw an increased reliance on virtual learning, reduced clinical hours, and limited direct patient interaction. Add in fragmented preceptor availability and accelerated graduation timelines, and you get a generation of NPs with fundamentally different training. This created a readiness gap. You might have the degree, but do you feel the confidence? Many graduates report anxiety despite passing boards, a reliance on protocols without deep understanding, and difficulty transitioning into independent roles. This isn't a lack of intelligence, it's a lack of the repetition and feedback that COVID disrupted. Comprehensive learning requires more than a textbook. It needs in-person physical assessment, real-time diagnostic reasoning, and long-term mentor relationships. Virtual screens can't teach you the gut feeling of a complex case. Passing the exam confirms baseline competence, but it doesn't automatically restore that lost experiential depth. Here is the hard truth. Nurse practitioner testing alone cannot measure readiness. Some pass with flying colors but need extended orientations just to feel safe. We shouldn't lower the standards. We need to strengthen educational reinforcement beyond the day you get your results. Because of this variability, high-quality exam prep is more critical than ever. Effective prep after COVID has to do more than help you memorize. It has to rebuild clinical thinking. You need to master foundational reasoning, differential diagnosis, safe prioritization, and scope-appropriate decisions. That's why Latrina Walden Exam Solutions exists. Created by a practicing FNP, this program was a direct response to these shifts. We focus on comprehensive learning and realistic scenarios, supporting students who missed traditional clinical depth while maintaining the highest professional standards. Stop second-guessing your clinical judgment. If you want to move beyond memorization and master the reasoning required for real-world practice, head over to shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com and join a community that understands exactly where you are. For those of you in practice, what was the one thing you felt least prepared for when you saw your first post-graduation patient? Let's get a discussion going in the comments.